So good morning everyone. In this class we will be studying about the flow of the select statement. So whenever we write up a select statement having a lot of associates such as group by, having order by, limit or where clause. So how exactly the parser and the query optimizer pick things and builds up its own tree and then it executes it. So this will be a very short lesson for today and how exactly things are done at the back end we will be just understanding that. So whenever we write up the query, so at first in the select statement the parser picks up from, it will see from which table we require it. So it will, like, the table has 100 records, it will see that it is required from table abcd and the table has 100 records. Then it will see the where clause, it will see like what all conditions have been met, and out of those 100 records, what all records like uh, actually meet the criteria of the where clause. Say 20 records out of 100 meet the criteria, so other 80 will be discarded and 20 will be taken on. Then it will say the select statement and it will see what all columns are required. So it says like if star is there, it will pick up all the columns. If 5 columns have been picked, it will pick up 5 columns for that particular set of records. Then after it will apply the group by statement. Out of those columns where the group by has been applied, and as per the group by and having, it will fetch up the records. So assume that after doing this, we are applying the group by stay on status column, and then the status column other is quantity which we are making a sum out of it, and then we say that out of these 20 columns now the data set is of something like 5 rows have been left as per the status, and in the another column we just have the sum. Then after that it will order it, it will sort it. So it will not sort before group by, it will not sort before where there is a process in which all things are done, and this picture about back of me shows us how exactly this is done. So I have picked up this image from mysqltutorials.org. Again, my tutorials are based out from two websites. One is mysqltutorials.org and second the mysql official website itself. And the last thing which comes up is the limit. So we have already discussed all of these things. So this particular video has been made to make sure that you understand the complete flow of it. So the flow does not start from the select statement, it starts from the from statement. First it sees from which table. So this flow will be very helpful for us in understanding the sub query part. So thank you guys. Please do like and share my videos. This was Anand Goel from host-tune-perform.com.